because of our support to mainly South African mining, I believe we play as a critical role in providing the mining industry adequate means to mine. If you think about it, specifically gold and platinum that employs most of the people, specifically underground. If you cannot drill and blast, you cannot mine because there's no ore coming out. And if you don't have detonators and the explosives, you cannot blast. So we become a critical enabler to that part of the industry. And subsequent to that, we've actually attained national key point status. So the plant and the facility has got national key point status, recognizing how important we are, both in the product that we make, but also the scale of products. So the amount of products that we make and provide into the market.